In today's Tech Tuesday video, I'm going to show you how to use Apple Classroom in your class. So the first thing we're going to do is open Apple Classroom. And Apple Classroom allows teachers to view, remote control and transfer files to students in their classes. So you'll need to locate your class first. If you're a class teacher, you'll probably only have one class here. But as you can see, I'm a specialist, so I have access to all the different classes. I'm going to go into ForRed as an example here, and all students have uploaded their picture to their profile. If a student is without a profile picture, they just need to go into the Manager app, go to Settings and upload their picture from there. I'm going to come out of this class here and I'm just going to use some computing iPads as a demonstration. So I'll open up the computing app here, the computing class, and you can see that I have my settings on the left hand side, which I can hide by doing that, by clicking the button in the top left, but I'm just going to open it like that. You can see that I have 26 different students here. Some of the basic functions are opening apps. To do that, I'll press this button here in the top left, and you can select the app that you would like to open. So if I click on Seesaw here, you'll see that it will open on, in this case, it's opened up on 24 of the iPads. 2 of those iPads are turned off. You can see that the app icon appears like that beside the pupil's iPad, so we can see what app each child is on. You can change the view so you can actually view what's on the iPad by clicking on these 4 circles here. You will see that instead of having the icon, you will actually see what is on the screen. So if I come out of that app here, and if I pick a different app, let's just say I want to go on Minecraft, you will see Minecraft will appear on that video there. If I want to open a website on the iPads, on the class iPads, what I'll do is I'll click on this little Safari symbol here next to the app symbol. So in the top left, I'll click on this here. And if I go to Safari down here at the bottom, all I need to do is open up my favorites, and I can open up any website that I've saved to favorites. To save a website to favorites, let me just come out of here. I'll go to Safari, and what I will do is, let's say this is the website that I want to add to favorites. I'll click the share button in the top right, and from here I can click on add to favorites. You can rename the website whatever you want, or you can keep it at its default name there. Click save, and that will then go into your favorites. You can lock a student into an app or into a website by turning on the lock button at the bottom, and that means that they will be frozen in that app or website. The next thing I'd like to show you is the lock tool here. So this is if you want to get the students' full attention, perhaps they're not paying attention. You can click the lock button here and all student iPads will lock. Be expecting loud moans when you do that. Just click it again and then you can see that it will unlock. To turn the volume down or off, it's simple as clicking on the volume tool here, and that will mute all the iPads. And to turn it back on, we can just click it like that. The students will need to actually turn on their volumes themselves for the volume to turn back up. To end the class, you can click the 3 dots here and you can click end class, but I'm not going to do that just yet. One final thing I'd like to show you is you can create different groups to differentiate. To differentiate, you will click on new group here and you can type in the name of your group. So let's say your groups are divided into continents or something like that. So you can click on America and select the students here that you would like to go into your group. So you can do that and press done, and then you will have one group. From here you can open up apps or share files with them from this specific group. When you end a class, you can do it like this. You can see what apps each student has used. This will give you an understanding of if they've been on the appropriate apps all the time and the different apps they have used to complete today's activity.